I'm going to show you exactly how to make a living trading without putting your own money at risk. For people that work a 9 to 5 job or earn a normal living, it can take a long time to save up $1,000 to $10,000 to start trading. For some people this isn't even possible and could take years. That's why I'm making this video, to show you exactly how to start trading without risking your own money, and I'm going to explain in just a second. Psychology is a massive part of trading, and even with good risk management, it can be very stressful risking your own hard-earned money. It is even more stressful knowing how long it took to save it up, how many sacrifices you had to make, and how many shifts you had to work. Luckily for you, this isn't the case with trading anymore. There are now clever ways to avoid this and start trading today completely risk-free. So let's get into it and not waste any more of your time. $5,000 is a lot of money for anyone. For most people it's a third of the annual wage, but what if I told you have access to $5,000 to trade with right now? There are several companies that offer this service and they're called prop firms. Instead of risking your own hard-earned money to trade, a prop firm will see if you can trade first and they'll allow you to trade with their money instead. So you're probably thinking, well, what's the catch? The only catch is that depending on the package you pick, you'll receive 80% of the profits instead of 100. But losing 20% for the chance to trade with 10 times, 100 times, or even 1,000 times of your own capital is absolutely a no-brainer. Personally, I use MyForexFunds. I have done for a while now, and there is a link below to sign up, but you don't need to sign up with me, and there are plenty of other prop firms out there, so you can pick one of those. It is an affiliate link, but the main reason it's there is so that you can easily find the website. Feel free to Google it yourself. Another big prop firm is called ftmo. I've used them in the past and they're great. Now, although the $5,000 account does cost $49, you may say to yourself, well, that's not free. Well, if you pass the challenge and get a live account, then you get that $49 back. And if you don't pass, you'll get a discount depending on your profits. It's honestly a no-brainer, and it means that you might be able to quit your job a lot sooner than you thought. To get the $5,000 account, all you have to do is head over to MyForexFunds, purchase the evaluation account. This is what I use to trade, but there are others. Pass phase 1 and 2 and then you'll get your live account. Simply, phase 1 gives you 30 days to earn 8% profit on the account. Pass that, and then phase 2 gives you 60 days to earn 5% profit on the account. Then you'll be given a live account with $5,000 to trade freely. You have a 5% daily drawdown rule and a 12% overall drawdown rule, which if you risk 1% per trade like me, means that you can trade less than 5 times per day or lower your risk to maybe 0.5%, but you do have 30 to 60 days to pass this, so try not to rush, then you can start making real returns. The best part about this is that's not the only account out there. There are a few different sizes going all the way up to $200,000, which is insane, and it only costs $979. So you could have worked for a few months and saved up $1,000 to start trading with and get small returns, or you can use that money and trade with $200,000 and still have cash left over. I do recommend starting small and working your way up through the accounts though, and yes, you can have multiple accounts at once. This is the best time ever to start trading without risking any of your own hard-earned money, and for the price of a takeaway, this could change your life forever. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button and check out some of the great trading strategies on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.